Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by Judy. Y'all, there is something out there that is shining in the corner that is just blinding the camera. I don't know what it is, but I'm gonna have to figure that out because it's not good. So this haul is a little nerve-wracking for me. Is a bra haul. Bryant was having a buy one get one half off, and I have been needing some more bras, so I did go ahead and buy these. I don't know if I'm actually going to show y'all this or not, but I know I'm not going to show you just in the bra. I'll put it over a shirt or something where you can at least see what it looks like, and I'll tell you what I think of it, but I'm not showing that to you. Nobody wants to see all that. So I've only gotten one of the 4 bras that I ordered so far. This one is the Simply Wire Free Lightly Lined T-shirt bra, $29.50, and Cafe Mocha is a 38F. Now I normally buy a 38G, but I don't think they had it in this one, and I was looking for that one more to have the buy one get one half off. So let me tell you, just in the bag here, it looks big. And F is actually one smaller than the G, so oh my goodness, I don't like showing underclothes on here. It's just not comfortable for me, but here we go. It is pretty forming, even though it doesn't have the underwire. It has kind of a bump here of foam that I guess would make up for the underwire. It is smooth. I do like that. Actually, this one is from the cacique collection. Is that how you say that? I don't even know. And the original price is $56.95. Good things come to those who take care of their girls. Yeah, I like that. All right, so the straps, little wider, little more comfortable for us bigger girls. And it does have, let's see, how many are back here? 4 clasps in the back. So I don't know, I'm afraid it's gonna be too big. It just looks like the cup is big, but damn big. We'll see. We'll try it on. All right, I'll add to this when the other ones come on. I just wanted to film it because I was filming. I'll see y'all back in a minute. Y'all, today I got the rest of those Bryant bras in, where I got the buy one get one half off. So all 4 of my bras that I got were $29.50 each, because you know they just equal all that out. So I'm still trying to figure out how I'm gonna try this stuff on for you. I'm probably gonna put on a tank top or something that's a little tighter, but I'm not gonna show you everything. So anyway, this is the lightly lined t-shirt bra. Okay, this one is called the So Light Lightly Lined T-shirt bra. I cannot pronounce this to save my life, y'all, but that is the brand. Let me hold it up for you. So they all just look so big. I know I am big, but my goodness, this is a 38G. That is normally the size that I buy. There's 4 hooks in the back. You know, your average t-shirt bra. I also did want to mention, in my package I got this. So this is a $100 wine voucher, which I won't use. I don't use wine, y'all. If you want to try it, zoom in, grab the code. If you're the first one, I'm sure that they'll let you use it. I hope that's zooming. Is it zooming in? Anyway, if that doesn't show up, I'll take some closer to pictures or something, or put it down below. I'm sure it's a one use only, but whoever, you know, somebody wants to try it, they can. This is Lane Style Cash. So, okay, they do like Torrid. You get $25 off a $50 purchase, so it's pretty much half offs. So I have $50 worth of half offs. The next bra, of course, like I said, they're all $29.50. They all ended up being the same. Originally, they are $48.95. This one is cotton lightly lined t-shirt bra. So this one's just more cotton. Also, four closures in the back. It looks like it has a little bit of a comfort strap to it. Also in a 38G. I think the other one that I had the other day was a 38F because they didn't have the 38G, and I thought I'd try one size down and see how that did for me. We don't know. Everything is, you know, shaped and priced different. I can't keep up. And considering this is my first time ever buying from lanebryant, I didn't know what to get. This is the Invisible Back Smoothing Lid Full Coverage. So, it's a little more silkier to the feel. Foreclosure back, and it does have that hide your back roll kind of look to it. Almost looked like that came off, but I guess that's just how it's made. It does have a little pretty in the middle. All right, so I'll try on this stuff for you, and we'll see if any of it fits. If you have any suggestions for a good big girl size bra that's gonna hold you up and last, I would love to hear them. Comment below. Let me know what you think. Like this video, share with your friends, subscribe if you haven't already, and press that notification bell. I will be right back. All right, y'all. I'm gonna turn my camera and show y'all a little more of my bed than I normally, because I just want to show you Callie. So please ignore the rest of my messy room. I hope y'all can see her. Look at this cat. She's just sprawled out on the bed. Yes, we're looking at you. Sorry about that. She's just cute. I had to show her. Okay, so today I'm wearing this Torrid top that cinches in at the waist and then it's long. It is super flowy. I do have a white cami underneath it. And these shorts are by Revolt. I will look up where I got them from. It was from one of my boxes, I think. And I am just wearing some Reef cushion flip-flops that I think I got from Amazon. I will link all this stuff down below if you're interested in looking at any of it. I didn't put on a necklace. I did put on these earrings. I can't remember where I got them. Thinking it was Maurice's. I'm not sure. I'll look it up. I'll figure it out. And this is from mintMONGOOSE. So, all right, let's try some clothes on. All right, I'm gonna try all these bras on, but I just wanted to show you this cami. I'm gonna use it to show you, y'all. I feel like I'm huge right here, so just ignore that. But I just wanted to show you what my regular bra looked like on me. This is one I got from Nordstrom. It's actually the strapless bra. I'm just wearing it with straps today because I had that other thing on. So I'm gonna try them on now. This is the Simply Wire-Free bra. There goes Miss Catty Cat. It definitely gives me some lift. Maybe even some cleavage if I was wearing something shorter. I almost feel, I mean, it comes to right here, and I'm almost a little nervous that this might work its way out, as they do sometimes, you know. But it does feel pretty comfortable. The straps are a little wider for comfort. And it, you know, it comes to a good spot right here, so you won't get any side boob. It does have structure here, so actually I may keep this one. And give it a try. I think when I wear those lower V-cut tops that this might help, since it does have a bit of a plunge to it. Let's move on to the next one and see how that one fits me. All right, y'all, this is the lightly lined full coverage. And as you can see, it is full coverage. It comes up way over here. And I think this is the back smoothing one, which, yeah, it may smooth this part of my back, but it just makes me pooch right here. So I don't know that I love that. I also don't know if the cups are fitting me just right. I may have went down a cup size since I've lost all the weight. I don't know. It's a little weird. I just don't like this one. I'm probably going to send this one back. Let me get the next one. This is the lightly lined t-shirt bra. And y'all, let me tell you, all right, all the other ones I have been able to put in the loosest hole. You know, there's different sizes as your bra gets more worn. You want to be able to move in. Well, this one I had to go to all the way the tightest. The straps, I had a hard time adjusting them to get them, you know, out far enough. I almost think that they're going to be bothersome. because they feel a little irritating already. And all right, to be real, one side is larger. I am aware of that. This side fits nicely. This side does not. It feels like I would come right out of it. I just don't think this one's as comfortable. I don't like it when they come up too high, and the past couple have come up too high on my arms, and it feels like that would wear as I moved around, and I don't want, you know, worn spots right here that'll hurt. I mean, I think they all give me a nice shape, but I'm just not loving them so far. Only that one. So let's try the last one on and we'll see how that goes. Did I show you the back of this one? I don't even know. All right, be right back. All right, this one is better than the last two. I think it does fit me better. This is the lightly lined t-shirt, cotton t-shirt bra. I think the straps feel better than the other ones did, except for maybe the first one. I do think, I mean, this one maybe a keeper. It was a little difficult to get buckled. Not because it was too tight, because I actually buckled it on the, you know, there's the 4 rows. I actually buckled it on this one, so that gives me room if I get bigger and room to go if I get smaller, which I do like that, but it was just a little difficult. But I think it's okay, and I may keep this one and the first one and send the other 2 back. We'll go over that in review, but you can actually see this one through the shirt. I don't know if you could do the other ones or not. All right, don't forget to comment below. Let me know what you think. What, you know, let me know if you like the first one or the 4th one or the 3rd one or the 2nd, whatever. So comment, tell me what you think. If you know a better place to go besides lanebryant for, you know, to get a G-size cup, please let me know. While you're down there, don't forget to press the thumbs up, the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, share with your friends, and press that notification bell. All right, I will be right back with a review. We're back for the review. I do think I'll probably, for the bras, keep the first one and the last one I tried on. The first one, it wasn't too bad. I probably could get away with wearing it. I'm not 100% sure about it, but I never am about bras. This one, probably liked it maybe the best out of all of them. I like the comfort of these straps more. Let's see, which one was, this is the one that's supposed to control your little back flap there. I thought it just made me stick out more, a little higher. So really, is it replacing one problem with another? So I see no point in that. It was hard to get on. I'm sending this one back. And this is the other said t-shirt bra, lightly lined t-shirt bra. I didn't like it. I just didn't think it was sitting right on me. Just not for me. So I got a half and a half. That's why I always order extras. That way I can try them on, see what I like. It would be the same thing you would do in a store. But really, who tries bras on in a store? Unless you go to Victoria's Secrets or one of the big department stores. If you go in there, you're just as likely to have somebody go in the fitting room with you, and then they're wanting to put the bra on you, and it's very uncomfortable. I mean, they're all really nice, but if you're somebody like me who gets nervous so easy, and then I felt like I should tip her because she, you know, was like dressing me. It was weird. Yeah, so I tend to do it this way. So that's my review. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you think I'm making the right decisions. If you liked any of them, didn't like any of them, if you got any other suggestions, please let me know. I'd love to hear them. So y'all, I hope you have a wonderful day and God bless.